The financial world is surrounded by immense opaque walls. Centralized systems are designed to profit from your transactions, right in plain sight. You have no real control, no transparency, only fees, delays, and uncertainty. Your data and your wealth are feeding a machine that wasn't built to benefit you. This has to change. Welcome to the era of decentralization. Welcome to AURA DEX. This isn't just another platform. It's a quantum leap in global finance. Imagine a system where transactions flow directly between you and the market. No needless intermediaries, no hidden fees. Feel the freedom of finance right in your hands. Take back the power over your own assets, where security, transparency, and control are yours by design. It is no longer a question of if the world will shift to DeFi, but when. This change is inevitable. Make the change today. Be among the first to build a new era of finance. AURA DEX.